Most ASUS products tend to be on the pricier side, but they also make more value-focused peripherals and components that are branded with the TUF badging. The TUF Gaming RTX 4070 Super is a great choice, as it delivers a phenomenal experience without the usual pricing you expect from most higher-tier graphics cards. It's an especially enticing choice when compared to ASUS's other RTX 4070 Super cards, especially the ROG Strix variant. Considering how the Strix 4070 Super costs a whopping $150 more than the baseline right now, it's hard to recommend. At that $750 price, you're very close to the price of the RTX 4070 Ti Super. Instead, the wiser decision is to go with the TUF Gaming variant. The differences between the two cards mostly come down to design, as the Strix version has more RGB and aggressive styling. Other than that, both feature beefy cooling solutions, a triple fan design, and a durable backplate. The price difference between the two is a bit significant, which is why I prefer the TUF Gaming version as a better value for most people. Compared to the last generation, the TUF Gaming 3070 Ti, this new card features 3 redesigned axial fans that have larger blades and better internals. This means that they propel up to 20% more air than the last generation, which translates to excellent thermal performance. Appearance-wise, this card has more styling than the entry-level 4070 Supers out there. You get a TUF Gaming badge at the side, along with a subtle RGB zone underneath it. As this is an ASUS card, it's compatible with their Aura Sync RGB software. This allows you to seamlessly sync the RGB lighting effects with all your components as long as you have a compatible ASUS motherboard. The card features a bulky look that's synonymous with the TUF series, and the backplate has a small cutout that provides airflow to the GPU die. Its dimensions are 30 by 14 centimeters, and it weighs 1,178 grams. Like most high-end graphics cards, it's a triple-slot card with 3 DisplayPort 1.4a ports and 1 HDMI 2.1 port. Next to the power connector, you'll find a dual BIOS switch that allows you to switch between performance and quiet mode. By default, the card runs in performance mode. Quiet mode enables a less aggressive fan curve with quieter operation at the cost of slightly higher thermals. Speaking of which, the thermal performance on this card is highly respectable. It has a gigantic design with a beefy cooler underneath, which allows it to have much lower temperatures than the competition. Expect around 70 degrees Celsius in a mid-tower case with a couple of fans. As for the competition, the MSI Gaming X Slim and Gigabyte Eagle OC are the closest alternatives. All 3 cards cost around the same, so it comes down to which design you prefer the most. However, I will say that the TUF Gaming OC is the quietest and coolest of the bunch, thanks to its gigantic design. This is why I prefer it over those options at its price point. To sum it up, the TUF Gaming RTX 4070 Super is a fantastic option for high-end builds. It has the looks and RGB that most people would want out of an expensive GPU, and it doesn't sacrifice thermals or noise. The only downside is that it's bigger than other options, meaning case options will be more limited. To sum up, what I like is the fantastic cooler, the industrial design with subtle RGB, the triple fan setup with improved airflow, and the dual BIOS switch. On the downside, large size makes it incompatible with smaller cases. Thanks for watching! Remember, you can check the price in the description below. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and hardware reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and let me know your opinion and suggestions in the comments. See you in the next one.